Phrases. A phrase is a group of words which act as a unit of group and which has no finite verb. ফ্রেজ হলো এমন একক শব্দগুচ্ছ যার কোনো ফিনাইট ভার্ব বা সমাপিকা ক্রিয়া নেই। There are 8 kinds of phrases. These are noun phrase. Example, the man wants something. Adjective phrase, a crown made of gold. এটা example. Adverbial phrase, the horse ran with great speed. Prepositional phrase, in spite of his illness he works. Participial phrase, hearing a noise the boy woke up. Phrase in apposition, I like Tom, my faithful dog. Absolute phrase, it being holiday we went out for a picnic. Parenthetical phrase, he is after all an honest man.